We give our kids a weekly allowance and we don't put any restrictions on what they buy. I took Grace to Ulta and she went on a shopping spree. She had about $300 that she'd been saving up and she picked out a whole bunch of stuff, but she was not keeping track of what she was spending. And when we got to the checkout, she was pretty shocked because it was well over what she was expecting to spend. But since the point of the allowance is to teach them about money and habits, I did not come in and save her. I did not give her the money that she needed. She had to pick and choose what she wanted to put back. But she left very happy with what she did pick out.